Hello everyone. Okay, this is Wei Luo talking. I am representing my team to present you with our hackathon project, the GeoGuide location verified payment with Concordium. Okay, so why do we need to build this? Very simple. We want to verify the location before we release payment. Like, have you ever experienced sometimes where like your Uber Eats delivery, they come to your door, they say they come to your door, but you never receive it? Or maybe it's your DPD delivery that you have very important for next day meeting. It's a mic, and then you waiting. It says deliver 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. and you waited there for a whole hour and nobody knocks on your door, and you receive an email saying failed delivery attempt, please reschedule. This really feels very bad. So what is a better problem that we can solve? But this can be solved like cryptographically with verified location, and that's what we built. We built a zero knowledge proof plus instant payout to the worker if they actually delivered the item at that exact location. So so what you are seeing now is I have already spawned up some local development settings. So what we have is a front end, that is the merchant front end, for example Royal Mail, and then we have something for the worker front end that says like manage their work and for us to just present the demo. And then they are all talking to a backend that connect to the Concordium network for any API requests and logic computational logics. Okay, let's see if everything started up properly. Cool. Nice. We have all the API, worker, and the dashboard up and running. Okay, let's navigate to our app. So here, what you can see is the merchant dashboard. For example, let's take Royal Mail for example. So Royal Mail connect its wallet, and for now it has this amount of money. And then let's say because it's like connect locally to my network, I can just add any amount of money, and then he can create a job. Let's say he want to deliver to Legacy Tower hackathon demo, and then with after the worker deliver the amount, how many does deliver the item, how many money they get, maybe 100, and then I search for the location, just say Legacy Tower. By the way, we built this really cool map that you can just click and say like what is the radius that this job need to complete within that area. So this is because GPS, like all location checkers, has some offset and some they are not entirely accurate. So we need a radius. So let me now deposit the fund. As you can see, after I deposit the fund and I refresh, immediately goes down. Okay, for worker app, so now for the worker, I have no money, but as you can see immediately, I have already the job showing available, and then now nothing is verified. So now I ask it to capture my location, and it also checks for VPN, by the way. It's an additional feature that we put so that when the browser is maybe your device is connected to Ethernet, it cannot use GPS or Wi-Fi SSID for verification. It will use IP. So in that case, a VPN check becomes very important. So now I can submit the proof. And then at the same time, not only location, we also additionally added something called like additional proofing. For example, not only you prove that you are at that location, you also prove that you are yourself with identity verification. Or maybe you need to prove that you are age over 18. So when we submit it, cool, now the job is fully verified and the worker gets your payment released in the wallet. That's great, and basically that's all with our presentation and live demo. And now on the technical side, how do we calculate the distance? We use something that is very accurate called Haversine formula that actually calculate on the curve instead of just Euclidean distance, which is very accurate compared to other methods that we have tried. So yeah, that's the end-to-end flow, and it's talking locally to the network. Yeah, thank you.